Susan. Susan. Pretty little frog bass. Good one. Oh, get out of there. Susan. Solid. That's a solid bass right there. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Oh, it's hard throwing against it 40-mile-an-hour wind. There he is. Oh, it's a decent fish too. Over them. There you go. Oh man. Thank goodness for braid. Hold still. Hold still. I'll turn you loose. Good bass. Whoop. That's a fatty, boy. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's pretty. Good luck, Bubba. Thanks for the bite. There he is. That's a good one. This is a bad place to try to land on. Oh, baby. Nothing wrong with that. Man, these are solid fish. Little crawl, little 1-inch tungsten, or 1-ounce tungsten, pegged. So you can punch through these mats. He liked it. There's another one in there. Hello, buddy. That's a decent bass there now. Woo, it's pretty. That's a pretty fish. Oh, hold now. Ooh, that's a good one. That is a good one. He knocked fire out of that thing too. Well, guys, I haven't been fishing this pond very long, and I've walked by this bench several times. I just noticed this plaque and almost fell over when I saw it. That gentleman right there was my best friend for many years. He died in 1999. We had many, many adventures together, hunting and fishing. He was a fine fellow, and I did not know this bench was a memorial to him. But anyway, good to run into you again, John. Rest in peace, brother. Got him. All right, not bad. Pretty fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, hold on, buddy. Right in the top of the lip, that's where you want him. Nice. Look at the color on that guy. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Appreciate it. Another good one. That's a pretty one there too. Punching creature bait, 1-ounce tungsten through all those lily pads. Pretty fun. Pretty fun stuff. See you, buddy. That acts like a decent one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that ain't bad. Come to Papa. That's a good bass. Ooh, baby. You pretty thing, you. That's a pretty bass. Ah, oh, still. That's one of them bass with teeth, too. Oh, still. Oh, man, you tough. You a tough hombre. Oh, we pinned you right through the top of your lip. Perfect set. Check that out. Man. That's a pretty fish right there now. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, buddy. Thanks for the bite. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yes, sir. That's a whopper. That's a big one right there. Beautiful fish. What do you think about that one?
Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't know there was that big in here.
There ain't many of them that big in here.
Catch and release?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you don't never kill nothing like this.
No, I never keep any fish here.
What's you fella's name, first name?
Francisco.
And you? Okay, you're going to be, I got a YouTube fishing channel.
I'm making one too.
There we go. See ya, buddy. Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. He's hung up. Oh, God. Boys and girls, there's a big old fish underneath all this.